and indulgence of my lords to item number 2. My younger colleague, Mr. Kato, was handling this matter. So unfortunately, somebody has fallen into coma. Somebody of his family member has fallen into coma. So he could not come to court on medical reasons. So I pass on this request to the learned AG. Sorry for taking pain to come, reach an agreement that it can be listed on 23rd of March, Miller.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. Tititar,
On behalf of
counsel, appearing for Mr. G. Kato, learned counsel for the petitioner, and the prayer not being objected to by learned Advocate General Mr. I. Chaudhry. Let this matter be listed on 23rd.
23rd.
23/03/2026.
Grateful.
Item number 1, Lordship, I put the respondent, but from the very inception, the petitioners they failed to appear. There is a condonation delay. It was also condoned in his absence also. Thereafter, matter was listed again. On that day also, he failed to appear. Today also. This is third occasion.
What to do?
What to do? It's not
The
coming.
third occasion. Third occasion.
Okay, now.
None appears for the appellant. On call, Mr. K. Leonard, counsel for respond number.
Respondent, Lordship, I have not been served the writ appeal copy also, Lordship. But maybe respondent number 1, I think.
Mahabir Tiwari.
Mahabir Tiwari, Lord.
Yes. Sole respondent oblique writ petitioner. It is noticed that this intra-court appeal is directed against the judgment and order dated 02/06/2025, passed in WPC 567 of 2024. It is noticed that the delay of 40 days in filing the appeal was also condoned in the absence of the learned counsel for the applicant. Mr. Next para. It is also for the notice that on 2 consecutive days when the matter was listed, non-represented the appellant. Mr. In view of above, whereof the considered view that the appellant may not be interested to pursue the writ appeal accordingly. Writ appeal stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Deeply obliged.
I also, in view of the order passed. For our
Admission.
Yeah, please. Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I wish to mention item number 31, Lordship.
31.
I have taken consent from the other party, the petitioner. So we may be accommodate for tomorrow, Lordship.
31?
31.
31.
Lordship.
Next week.
Next week.
Next week.
Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. Estafin Leonard, Senior Government Advocate for the state, and the prayer not being objected to by Leonard Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. D. Pangi, that this matter be listed after a week.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
I beg to mention item 20. Here, my lord, I was directed to produce the record, my lord.
Ha.
My lord, today I could not, my lord, produce the record, my lord. So
Okay.
may I pray that, my lord, 2 weeks time further may be given, my lord.
Okay. On the prayer, Mr. Arseki Leonard, Standing Counsel, APIC, huh?
My lord.
Let this matter be listed after a week.
After 2 weeks, my lord.
After 2 weeks. To so as to enable him to produce the
Records.
report.
my lord. Okay.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 12.
Hmm.
Lordship, may kindly take up this matter after a week, Your Lordship. I've taken the consent.
Okay. On the prayer of MS Arbasa, Learned State Council, let this matter be listed after
A
2
week.
weeks.
After a week, Your Lordship.
After a week. Huh.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 30, my lord.
Hmm.
We're filing our affidavit in opposition, affidavit in reply today, my lord.
Huh.
Therefore, the matter may be fixed tomorrow for hearing on,
Why tomorrow?
because just otherwise, after 2 days, this is an all matter, my lord. It's a matter of 2019.
What is the matter?
It's pertaining to, my lord, compensation only, my lord.
What compensation?
Land compensation, my lord.
Let us see on Friday.
Friday, much, my lord. Much obliged.
On the prayer of Mr. M. Perthin, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. List this matter on 27. Let us see, 27.
My lord, another item, my lord, item number 27, my lord. This matter, my lord, there's already a divorce between the parties.
Ah.
So this matter is not fit for sent to special mediation drive, my lord.
How? Who is for the
Item number 27, my lord.
who is for the respondent?
I am for the respondent, my lord.
Who is for petitioner?
Lordship, I'm for the petition.
Ha.
Petitioner.
It is not a fit case for mediation.
Yeah, mediation yeah.
It's not a matter fit for
Yes.
You think about it, we'll list after a week.
Yes, Lord. We don't have any instruction.
It is stated at the bar that, no, it is submitted by the concept of the parties that the parties not agreeable for mediation. Mr. Accordingly, let this matter be listed after a week.
much obliged, my lord. Much obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
But I beg to mention one item, Lord, for listing on 3rd of March, Lord.
Why?
Lord, it's I filed in a contempt petition for deletion of the name of the applicant, Lord. I have instructions from the Senior Counsel, Sir Sharma, would appear in this matter.
May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11 of today's list, Lordship. Lordship, leading counsel is out of station, Lordship. And I have take consent from other side also, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. You
Yeah,
are for petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
Ah.
And Lordship, therefore, matter may be fixed on 11 on March.
Mr.
K. Moses, Kyoda Moses.
K. Moses, counsel for petitioner.
And Lordship, there is an interim order, it may be continued.
Counsel. Mr. Obing, H. Lampu.
Yes, Lordship.
Has some personal difficulty, therefore fresh for listing of the matter after 3 weeks.
Yeah. Lordship, 11.
Please, the prayer not being objected to well under counsel for the respondent. Let this matter be listed on 11.
11 on March. Yeah. And Lordship, there is an interim, it may be continued.
3 more than past the let's continue.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
May I, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 28. Lordship, kindly this matter may be fixed on 16 March.
Why? This is listed for referral. Referral to mediation.
no, so, Lordship.
Why?
Leading counsel was instruct me take fixed date on behalf of Titake.
Huh?
On behalf of Titake.
Have you talked to the client?
No, instruct me not send to medicine.
I'm for the petitioner, Your Lord.
So
They are taking time, fixed date for many days, but they are not appearing, Lord.
So this is listed for referral to mediation.
Yes, they
Are
are.
you, do you agreeable to this?
This is,
Can it be sent for mediation?
we have talked to the respondent. They are not ready to send for the mediation, Your Lord.
Okay. You are for petitioner, respondent.
I'm for petitioner.
Mr. MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. so-and-so, appearing from Sri Taki, submits that parties are not ready for mediation. List of, therefore, no, in me above, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Lordship, fixed date may be given.
Why?
Leading counsel is from Pasikat, so.
Request him to come when the matter is listed.
mm,
It cannot be all the time on the convenience of the lawyer.
Lordship,
2 weeks, huh?
16 months. Lordship.
No fixed date.
Unless
Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 14.
14. Yes.
Your Lordship, as the leading counsel is out of session.
On the ground that Mr. S. Koyang,
Yes, Lordship,
leading counsel in this,
out of session and letter of absence is
has some personal difficulty today. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, appearing on the press for listing of the matter after 2 weeks.
Yes,
Press
Lordship.
allowed, list after 2 weeks. Yes. The next call.
One.
Item number 1.
With my lord's permission, I have a small prayer to make, my lord.
Ah.
On the last occasion, my lord has rightly observed that there is no merit in the case, and I was not aware of the subsequent order which has been issued. Therefore, I may be allowed to withdraw, my lord.
It's better.
My lord.
Mr. J. Sri, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition. Mr. MS G. at the learned additional senior government advocate is present. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed on withdrawal.
Grateful.
obliged.
Item number 2.
May I please, sir?
Yes.
By filing this writ petition, I am praying before this honorable court to direct the respondent authority to dispose of my representation.
Ha.
Presently, I am working as a deputy director, food and civil supply, without financial benefit. So I have written a representation on 16 January 2026 to regularize me or to provide me the financial benefit. So that representation is unattended, my lord.
Where it is? Page
24, my lord.
How you, under which law you are entitled? Under which rule? Huh?
My lord. Representation just.
No. Under which rule you are entitled for what you are asking? Regularization with financial benefit.
Financial benefit.
Yes. You are for respondent.
My lord, 1 and 2, my lord.
Sorry.
My lord, if my learned friend is asking for this simple disposal of the representation, we would not have any objection, my lord. It's given in page number 24. But otherwise, otherwise, he was simply appointed as this in charge, my lord.
In charge.
So, in law, he would not be this entitled for any pay benefit, my lord, unless he.
But when you have given them to hold the in charge in a higher post,
yes,
my lord.
You are bound to pay.
No, my lord.
He is entitled.
My lord, in order, it was clear, my lord.
Where it is?
It is in page number 20, my lord. Nonetheless, my lord,
Page number 20.
page number 20, my lord, not going into the nitty-gritty of his terms of and condition of his appointment, my lord.
In the interest of public service.
My
Page
lord.
20.
Page 20, my lord.
Following designated and in charge deputy director of civil service for direction. The director is functional in charge. In charge deputy director.
My lord.
Okay.
My lord.
Okay, take down. Heard Mr. You Deka,
Yes, my lord.
learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. Tijamo, learned standing counsel.
My lord.
For the respondents. Respondent what department?
Food and civil supply, my lord.
Respondents, food and civil supply department. Next para. Considering the simple nature of grievance to the extent of directing the respondent authority to consider his representation, this writ petition is taken up and disposed of in the motion stage itself. Listen, next para. The petitioner who was working as superintendent of the food and civil supply, government of Arunachal Pradesh, was allowed to was posted, was promoted, promoted to the post of district supply officer in the year 1999. You are promoted on regular basis as a DSO?
As a DSO regular basis, my lord.
Please stop. While serving as district supply officer, the petitioner was allowed to hold the charge of deputy director, food and civil supply without any financial benefit. From time to time, his in charge post of deputy director, food and civil supply was extended. He has been, the petitioner has been allowed to allowed to function as in charge deputy director since 6/12/2023. Next para. The claim of the petitioner is for direction to the respondent authorities to grant, to regularize his service as deputy director, food and civil supplies, with all the financial benefit with effect from the 16/12/2023 in the post of deputy director, food and civil supplies. List of Mr. Udeka, learned counsel for the petitioner, while referring to the representation filed on 16/01/2026, submits that the petitioner would be satisfied if the representation of the petitioner is directed to be considered. List of next paragraph. Having considered the simple prayer of the petitioner for disposal of, for a direction to dispose of the representation filed by the petitioner, and as agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, I deem it appropriate to dispose of this writ petition by directing the respondent authorities, particularly Secretary, Food and Civil Supplies, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, to consider and dispose of the representation that is 16/01/2026 without adverting to the merit of the claim of the petitioner as to whether he would be entitled for regulation of his service or any financial benefits for the period in the post of deputy director, to the post of deputy director, on he having been allowed to function on in-charge basis. Accordingly, it is it is ordered. It is directed accordingly. It is made clear that this court has not expressed anything. This court has not expressed any opinion on the merit of the matter. However, the responsible authorities are expected to consider and dispose of strictly in accordance with the applicable, in accordance with the law. This represents disposal.
Highly obliged.
Item number 3.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this writ petition is regarding allotment of equal number of PhD student and teaching hours, your lordship. So, your lordship, for supervising each PhD student, I get 8 cumulative credit points, your lordship, which are very vital for getting a promotion. So, if I get a less number of PhD students, so directly or indirectly, that will deprive me from getting a promotion, your lordship. And for teaching hours, we don't get any points, your lordship. So,
who are you?
I'm an assistant professor.
You're assistant professor.
Yes, your lordship.
Whom else have been given more teaching hours?
Associate professor and professor, your lordship.
Who is higher in rank? Who is higher in rank?
Yes, obviously they are higher in rank, your
Then
lordship.
how can you ask for a parity?
But at least for your...
Is there anybody who is working as an assistant professor been given more teaching hours?
But at least for your lordship, equal number of PhD students, because your lordship...
No, that's you show us that suppose bottom your assistant teacher, professor.
Yes, your lordship.
He has been given 12 numbers of students and you have been given 5 numbers.
Yes,
is it the case? It's not that. Your case is that associate professor and professors are given the more teaching hours, right?
Yes, sir.
Or students,
yes.
And you have not been.
Yes.
How can this be?
Your lordship, any faculty member who supervise the PhD student, they get 8 points, your lordship, and 2 points for the paper they publish.
Are you? You want that? You want more teaching hours?
No, your lordship. Equal number of teaching hours and equal number of PhD student, your lordship.
So with whom? Equal with whom?
Equal
assistant professor or associate?
No, all the faculty member, your lordship.
No, cannot be. See, higher post and different post, having a different, they will have a advantage.
Yes, Lordship.
You have to show for that. The associate professor, you are associate professor.
No, assistant professor.
Assistant professor, your colleague, same assistant professor have been provided more students, right?
Yes, sir.
More teaching hours. Is it your case? No. Is it your case?
No, Your Lordship.
You show us that the same assistant professors have been given more, advantageous position. It's not that. You are simply saying and sweeping that the all faculties, including the associate professor and the professor, obviously they are higher in rank.
But Your Lordship,
And such type of thing, it's a policy of the academy. We cannot help it. We cannot. And your prayers, how many prayers you have made?
several prayer, Your Lordship.
Several prayers.
Yes.
Up to A, B, C, D, up to I.
Yes, Your Honor.
See, look at this. 8, 12, and 16 hours of teaching per week to professor, associate professor, assistant professor. You have been given 8. Obviously, you are in lowest in the rank. How can you claim parity or equal, thing with the higher in rank? See, look at the assistant professors, the associate professors are getting 12, professor are getting 16. They are also not equal. The more higher in rank, they are getting more teaching hours.
But Your Lordship, for at least for PhD students, so that we get the equal chance to get the promotion, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Allocation of PhD student, Your Lordship. At least equal number of PhD student may be allocated for the.
Again, it's with equal number, obviously, with the assistant professor. Are you saying that some assistant professors given more numbers of the PhD students? Is it your case? No.
No.
And unnecessary, you have, of course, you have done appears to have done a research, but then on off-track research, which is not relevant here. Instead of your petition could have been completed by 5 or 6 pages. You have filed a 40 pages petition with uncountable the prayers. What to do? You just obtain instruction. Are you appearing for this NIT?
No, my lord. I am for the respondent number 1, my lord.
I'm not inclined to even issue notice. You are not able to make out the case. If you could show that, although we may not unnecessarily interfere, but then if you could have made out the case that some assistant professors are given more numbers of PhD students with more teaching hours, then one could have. You are claiming parity or the equality with the higher, higher in rank,
Yes,
with the associate professor and this thing. This cannot be. That would be rather a reverse discrimination. What to do?
Notice may be issued, Your Honor.
Why? We will allow to do withdraw. You file a fresh. I don't find anything here in your 40 pages writ petition. Anyway, how long you have been in the practice? When did you join?
In the year 2022, Your Lordship.
22.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Therefore, we are just issuing a notice.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Third, Mr.
P. Wangpan, Your Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Framing discrimination with regard to what do we call allocation of PhD students?
Yes, equal number of PhD students.
No, allocation of PhD students and the what is called teaching hours.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Teaching hours. At par with the professor, assistant professor, and other faculty. Thereby challenging the minutes of the 52nd meeting of the Senate of NITAP. Yeah? What is this? NIT Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes, Lord.
To allocate 8, 12 and 16 hours of teaching per week to the professor, assistant professor, and assistant professor, the petitioner, who is an assistant professor seeking equal numbers of PhD students and teaching hours with the professor, assistant professor, and other faculty. This writ petition is filed with numerous prayers, list of issue notice returnable by 6 weeks, 4 weeks,
yes,
4 weeks. As Mr. M. Kato, learned DAJ, enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1.
One only, my lord.
No comment notice need be served. However, extra copies be furnished to the learned DAJ during the course of the day. Why by name? Dr. Mohan Bittal Rao, Director. Why by name? And see your prayer, last prayer. Monitor investigation against respondent allegedly misusing the public office to cause mental injury and harassment to the faculty. What does it mean? Can you make such an allegation? Then counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2 and 3. 2 and 3.
Yes, Lord.
By registered post, by speed post, as well as usual process. Within 2 days. Huh? I'm trying to, I'm not trying to schooling you, but then you being a lawyer, try to understand.
Main authority, my lord, NIT has not been made as party.
What can we do?
It is the NIT authority, my lord.
I think better you withdraw it. Find out some relevant materials showing that these assistant professors are given this much and all those things. You work on it and file it, and then don't recite all these Supreme Court judgments. It's good to have a research. I think it's better. You have not been, don't make these people party also. I mean, by name. Director may be as a director by office. And the NIT, NITAB is not, AP, NIT, AP is not a party also. How can you do that? And you are challenging the Senate's meeting, minutes. I think you withdraw, will give you a liberty.
Yes,
Have some research and file proper petition. All right?
Yes, sir.
And it would be better. It's of no use. Mr. Soin counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition with a liberty to file afresh. Mr. M. Kato Learned DSJ is present. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed on withdrawal with the liberty as prayed for. That would be better.
Yes, sir.
You don't have to cite all these long line of long decision of the Supreme Court. All right. No 40 page. Make it 6-7 page. It's enough. And then don't make any allegation without there being any, to substantiate. If there is, you may. Prayer also, it will be hardly 2. Why? Various numbers. Okay.
Much obliged.
Item number 4.
If I may please, Your Lordship. Your Lordships, if I may please.
Yes.
I'm appearing virtually, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is a writ petition preferred by a charitable trust. The first petitioner, number 1, is a public charitable trust which is representing the villages and residents inhabiting the downstream areas of Dibang Valley district. Now, Your Lordship, this writ petition has been preferred for the exclusion of families in the downstream area from they have not been given the status of project affected families by respondent number 3 specifically. Now, Your Lordships, as a whole, we had the petitioners and other people who are contending that they are residing in the downstream area should be included as the project affected family. We filed a representation which is at Annexure 3. On 13/4/2023, we filed a representation. Now, on response to that, the reply, which has been annexed as respondent number 4, is dated 26/8/2024. Your Lordships may have page number 348, Your Lordships. Your Lordships,
page number
348, sir, Your Lordship.
348.
Yes, Your Lordship. If I may be allowed to read, Your Lordship, the relevant portion.
348.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordships have it?
Yes.
Your Lordships, I may read. Also, an inundation mapping has been done for downstreams area up to 63 downstreams of dam site to identify two villages. Your Lordship, this is the second last paragraph. To identify the villages and settlement that are falling in the inundation area in case of any emergency flood-like situation, to mitigate the impact of human habitations or properties in the downstream areas. In case of any eventuality, an emergency plan has been proposed for getting immediate response. Now, this para is very important, Lordship. This is the last para. Further, as proposed by the downstream area affected community, a prior socio-economic survey for the downstream area falling in probable inundation zone, point bracket 0 point from dam to 63 kilometers downstream may be conducted. Now, Your Lordship, they in this representation are agreeing to the fact that there is a risk, there is a high probable chance that the downstream area which comes from 0 to 63 will fall under the inundation area, which will be highly prone to floods.
What is your case? Tell us.
Your Lordship, my case is as simple as this, that so Your Lordship, I'm a public charitable trust. I am representing the villagers and residents who are in the downstream area, who reside in the downstream area in the stretch of 0 to 45 kilometers. My case is that I am also getting affected by the construction of this dam. But I am not being considered even after multiple representations. My status, they are not considering me as project affected families. My livelihood is getting affected. My downstream by the construction, I am under high zone of floodings. Even in the cumulative impact carrying assessment, if your lordship, that is the first annexure, which is at page 22. Chapter 9.
That's all.
Much obliged, your lordship. Much obliged.
Yes.
Much obliged.
Yes.
My lord, notice has to go to respond number 3, my lord, the NHPC, my lord, the main thing, my lord.
Okay.
We'll serve them, your lordship. We'll serve them.
Mr.
Tathagat Datta, your lordship. Tathagat Datta. Tathagat Datta.
Right? Learned counsel for the petitioners. The petitioner claims to be what charitable trust?
We are a public charitable trust representing the downstream affected people.
Charitable trust. What I said? A petitioner and representing the affected downstream affected people of the construction of 2880 megawatt Dibang multi-purpose hydro project, and being executed by NHPC Limited. By filing this, and has filed this petition. For a direction to include the downstream affected villages in Lower Dibang district, Arunachal Pradesh, and Tinsukia district in Assam as project affected people, so as to ensure that the downstream affected villagers are paid compensation in accordance with law. That's all. Issue notice returnable
Much
by
obliged, your lordship.
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
As Mr. Who is 1, 2? One is EHJ.
Your lordship,
And
one is
Mr. R.S. Nabam, learned additional Advocate General, number 2, 3, 2,
4 and 5. 2, 4 and 5.
2, 4 and 5. Enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1 through 4 and 5. No formal notice need be served. However, extra copies be punished. Learned counsel by the petitioners to take steps of service of notice upon respondent number 3 by speed post as well as usual process within 2 days.
Requisite copy, man.
Absolutely.
Much obliged, your lordship. Much obliged.
You are here.
Yes,
You are for petitioner. Okay.
local council.
Item number 5.
Pure council. Local.
My lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, this matter pertains to non-issuance of NOC.
Yes.
No objection certificate. More particularly by the DC Deputy Commissioner Bomdila West Coming. Your lordship, I'm serving as an AYA in the office of the Deputy Director Education, Bomdila West Coming. And I have been serving more than 19 years for the said post.
What is Aya?
As a cook woman.
Why it's not called cook? Why it's called Aya?
It is termed as Aya only.
Aya is English or Hindi or Assamese?
Hindi. Yeah, it's a kind of caretaker who serves.
In Hindi or English or Assamese word?
I do not mislead the court, your lordship. I exactly don't know the term as an Aya.
Find out and come back.
No, Your Lordship. No, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So, Your Lordship, for the said post, I was appointed in the year of 1999.
Yes.
So, I have applied for the NOC for the purpose of regularization.
Yes.
So, I have as my NOC, I have applied for the NOC, and my NOC was submitted to the
ADC.
ADC.
Forwarded to DC.
Forwarded to DC.
And it was not
And
considered.
Not considered yet.
When you later you came to know that you have
Yes.
been considered because you have been allotted a government land.
I have
or occupied.
the land allotment.
Applied for a government
Yes, Lordship.
land of
Yes,
the government.
but in this case, Your Lordship, legally
You were allotted.
not exactly. I have not legally allotted this land, but Your Lordship, this land is the question land is utilized by the government of Arunachal Pradesh for the establishment of an astronomy lab.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I have perused the.
The ground of refusal is that she has been allotted or applied a government land, maybe encroached a government land.
No.
But she said she applied, but then she has not been given. So why just because he has applied for allotment, unless she is found to be encroached or illegally occupying the government land, why unnecessary class grade 4 employee since 19 years? Take instruction, we'll dispose it up on Friday.
Lordship.
All right.
Lordship.
Had MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for a direction to the respondent authorities to consider issuance of NOC in terms of the no objection certificate. When did you apply?
As per my representation dated 23rd Jan 2026.
Only?
Yes, Your Lordship. Before that, I have submitted NOC form also. I have paid with the documents also, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Yes, kindly.
The petitioner who is working as Aya.
Aya, Your Lordship.
A grade 4.
He is working.
Huh?
Is working. Lord.
Is working as Aya. Under what? Which department?
Department of Education.
Department of
School Education.
School Education. At where?
Bomdila.
Bomdila.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Under the establishment of Deputy Director, School Education.
Under this, Aya. Under the establishment of Deputy Director of School Education, West Kameng District, Bomdila, has instituted this application seeking a direction for issuance of direction to the respondent authority to consider an issue no objection certificate for the purpose of consideration for regulation of her service.
El Mariam.
List of the petitioner has applied the NOC. On when? First, when did you apply?
Your Lordship, in NOC form, date is not mentioned, but I have perused it, Your Lordship.
When did you apply?
But after date, I have submitted my representation dated 23rd January 2026. Your Lordship, may kindly
in the year
kindly glance page number 26, Your Lordship.
in the month of September 2025, which was forwarded by the Deputy Director of School Education to the Deputy Commissioner, West Kameng District, Mr. Haibat. despite there being no any encumbrances, the respondent authority has failed to issue the NOC list of considering the nature of the grievance raised in this petition, I deem it appropriate to direct Ms. MSG and LNS Additional Senior Government Advocate and Mr. T. Tagop, LNS Standing Counsel for Education Department, to obtain instruction. List the matter on 27/02/2020. We'll dispose it off. If you even if you don't the instruction, we'll direct you to issue.
Yes, Lord, sir.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Item number 20, item number 6.
Yes.
Your Honor, may I? Your Honor, Commissioner is the all Arunachal Pradesh Regular Employee Medical Laboratory Technician Association. Petitioner most respectfully submitted that apart from the wing president of the said association, is also a member of petition association, and he is also lawful, legitimately entitled to seek all protection and privilege to not only for himself but for all the members of the petitioner association.
Is a registered society?
No, Your Honor, it's government employee.
Is a registered society? Your society is registered.
So, Your Honor, association is just a jurist person, Your Honor. The petitioner is also
a registered society.
No, Your Honor.
You file in the name of the employees.
Employees. Your Honor, actually they merge for total 47.
Claiming what?
Your Honor, directly
promotion.
Promotion, Your Honor.
Individual right. You
Yes.
may file a composite petition. I mean, you may file one petition, but by name.
By name. Yeah.
Withdraw. We'll
Your
allow you to file.
Your Honor,
withdraw. You file a fresh petition in the name of the
Individual employees.
Individual employees. What is your prayer?
Your Honor, for prayer is promotion only. Promotion. RR rule 1999. We have served already 18 years, Your Honor.
No, that will consider. But
Yes.
you file in the name of the petition. I mean,
Yes,
the
yes.
employees only.
Yes, got here.
Right.
Yes.
Withdraw.
Okay.
Mr. Swainso, learned counsel for the petitioner, who praised that he may be allowed to, not heard. Mr. Swainso, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be allowed to withdraw his writ petition with a liberty to file afresh in view of the fact that the petition is being filed, has been filed by an unregistered society, society, and the grievance is for promotion to the promotion in the government service.
Yes.
Mr. T. Tagum, London Standing Council, Health Department.
Yes, ma'am.
Health Department.
Is present. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed on withdrawal with a liberty as prayed for.
Okay.
Item number 7.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
The matter is pertaining to the transfer order, Lordship.
Why are you daydreaming?
First transfer order was issued on 9 Lordship, 9 February, wherein I have been transferred from RWD Changlang Division to Jarampur Division.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Petitioner is a junior engineer, Lordship, and he's serving in the Changlang division since last 9 years, continuously for last period of 9 years.
Yes.
So accordingly, transfer order was issued on 9/2/2026, page number 25, Lordship. Page 25. By this transfer order, I have been transferred from Changlang division to Jairampur division. And there is a specific order that the transfer process should be completed within 15 days. Thereafter, Lordship, even after lapses of some days, the executive engineer he failed to release me from Changlang. Accordingly, on 18 February, I have submitted representation, page 26. Praying for my early release in terms of transfer of the 9/2. Now, thereafter, surprisingly, after submission of my representation, they sent me one transfer order, impugn transfer order at page 27.
Page 27.
Yes. Now here, Lordship, the date has been mentioned as 11 by handwritten. In fact, this transfer order issued in backdated, because I have submitted representation on 18 saying that I may be released from Changlang division, but they served me this transfer order whereby I have been transferred from Changlang to Lying Yangti division. And here nowhere it is mentioned that, Lordship, my earlier transfer has been cancelled, modified, nothing. So, Lordship, my grievances is once the transfer order has been issued in public interest, same cannot be cancelled, instead modified or keeping in abeyance without supported with sufficient reason.
Who says so?
In terms of judgment rendered in reported in 2001 through GLT page 67, Lordship. In Zakir Hussain case versus State of Assam, Lordship. Para 4.
It's not a case of cancellation.
In fact, Lordship, but in present my case, Lordship,
a case of supersession but not cancellation. Is not it?
Yes, even for modification also, Lordship, there has to be reason.
How can you say that no representation will be entertained? Are you a, are you a dictator?
No, normally they used to write.
No representation will be entertained. You are a welfare.
Transfer dated 9 February is a local arrangement made within a circle, Mayo circle. He is not a competent person to transfer this is a local arrangement on the basis of requisition sought by the executive engineer Jairampur.
This is by the superintendent of engineers, same?
Yes, now the
impugn order is also by the superintendent engineer.
Coordination. Itanagar.
We don't know.
Superintendent engineer coordination is the competent person to transfer, give transfer and proceed to junior engineers. The first order is by the SC Mayor Circle.
He is not a competent.
No, he is not competent. His transfer was just circle-wise internal arrangement. From Changlang to Jairampur, same district, same circle. Now he has been transferred from Changlang to Lying Yangte. So SC coordination is the competent authority.
It may be same district, but it's a transfer only.
Yes, Lordship. The language
is saying that he is not competent authority.
Yes.
Now, as per my instructional coordination. So normally transfer posting should be by the SC coordinators.
You file an affidavit, we'll see.
Yes,
If he is not competent,
Yes.
it may be known as this
Yes.
transfer order.
Yes.
All right.
But it seems it's a,
Anything to show?
it seems
But
it's,
then, it's except the coordination, they are same officer, same rank,
Same
superintendent engineer.
no, if the officer is transferred from one district or one division other, that is the coordinator has to be, the coordination has to be. Since Mio circle, is Mio circle on the basis of
Is
representative.
subordinate to the coordinator.
Yeah, appointment also made by the
No, is this superintendent engineer, rural works circle, Mio is subordinate?
is a circle.
Is a subordinate to
No, no.
SC coordination.
No.
Now, he is within, there is so many circles. So coordination headquarter is the, it falls all under this coordination headquarter.
Okay, we'll give you a short 2 weeks. It's a transfer and posting.
Yeah.
It appears that we don't know. You may be correct. But then superintendent engineer, whether coordination or circle, they're equal, rank.
My lord, AC Mayor cannot transfer the officer from Changlang to Korongkume.
Then why not chief engineer? Why the same rank, though it is coordination?
Is the AC coordination. AC coordination is a competent person.
Is it not the same rank?
Same rank, but
The SC circle is a subordinate to SC coordinator.
coordinator is he's here at Itanagar.
We don't know.
Headquarter is AC headquarter.
He may be alone.
We have to control all the AC of the circle also.
We don't know. But the paper doesn't show. Unless you show that the superintendent engineer circle, whatever, is subordinate to the superintendent engineer coordination.
Parts transfer order is from Changlang to Jarampur, same circle, same district. Not to other district or other circle.
No, it is transfer.
But he cannot transfer.
Very clear, Lord.
AC Mayo cannot transfer officer from Changlang to Kurungkume.
Circle, we don't know, but then if it is transfer, you see, there's a judgment of
that transfer has to be made by the AC coordination.
Can be, from one table to table can be, in a given case, can be called a transfer. It's a maybe within a district, from one place to another, right?
So this RWD, PWD, they have several circles.
You clarify, you file your affidavit, we'll take it up and dispose of next week. After 2 weeks, since it is transfer post.
Then
and we're not happy that how can you dictate like this that no representation will be entertained.
Normally in all transfer,
your subordinate. How can you dictate like this?
No, it said no representation will be entertained. It does not say that no representation is not submitted. It's not.
No representation. How can you say so? You means the officer.
Yes. Normally,
you consider representation. It's a part of democratic. Right. Or the constitutional right.
Normally, I don't know why they have written. But in all the transfer orders, it seems there is such line.
I heard Mr. K. learned counsel for the petitioner. The challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated 11/02/2026, passed by the superintending engineer within bracket CEO coordination, bracket clause, page 27, whereby the petitioner is sought to be transferred from
Changlang division, RWD,
to
establishment of executive
of the executive engineer RWD lying young list of It is the contention of the contention of the petitioner that the petitioner was has already been transferred from
RWD Changlang Division.
RWD Changlang Division to RWD Division Changlang to
under the establishment of
engineer
RWD Jerampur
by an order dated 09/02/2026. Pursuant to which he had joined.
Yet not joined. I have not been released.
Pursuant to which he has filed an representation requesting for release, requesting the executive engineer RWD Changlang, RWD Division
Changlang
to release him from the said establishment. Mr. Hauber, within 2 days, the superintendent engineer, bracket close, coordination, rural works, RWD, has passed the impugn order seeking transfer of petitioner from RWD Division Changlang to Lying Yangte without there being any cancellation, without cancellation of the earlier transfer order. That too, with a condition that no representation will be entertained. List of issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. No, 2 weeks. We will make it 2 weeks. As Mr. G. Tarak, learned standing counsel for all.
Yes.
For all respondents.
One.
You are for one.
One is
Mr. L. Long, learned senior government advocate, and Mr. G. Tarak, learned standing counsel RWD, enter appearance and accept notice, and we have already responded. No permit notice. Beside, I have extra copies. One is to the science. Hard on the interim prayer. Next para, hard on the interim prayer. Having considered that the next para, petitioner has already been transferred by an order dated 09/02/2026 from RWD Division Changlang to the establishment of executive engineer RWD Jerampur. And without cancellation and modification of the earlier order, the impugn order appears to have been issued. That too, with a condition, with an observation that no representation will be entertained. This court deem it appropriate to steady, appropriate to suspend the impugn order dated 11/02/2026. Mr. Accordingly, till the return of the impugn order that is so shall remain state. list after 2 weeks.
Lordship, one small observation may be made. The pendency of writ petition shall not bar the respondent to release the petitioner in terms of
That will amount to, I mean, granting a full relief. We'll consider. Suppose if you say that the for district to district, the superintending engineer circle is not competent to pass an order, then
No case.
you just show the power and authority of both the superintendent engineer. We'll see.
Publish.
deeply obliged.
Item number 8.
Well, this matter is related to the compassion appointment. Pleading is complete, and I'll pray that matter can be.
Take this book, huh? उसको हम थोड़ा modify कर लेंगे. Take that book, huh? ये book लिया था ना? इसका book है? Yes.
Well, pleading is complete, my lord. And my lord, in this matter, matter is related to the compassion appointment. And I will just pray that your lordship, there is you have your coordinator bench has passed similar matter with direction that the representation should be placed before the district level and state level committee. And then district level committee or state level committee can consider the cases of the petitioners. So I will pray that this matter can be also disposed on that terms of that coordinator bench judgment.
Same department, different department.
Power, different department. This is a power department. The coordinator bench judgment, you also may see page 54, annexure 12.
54.
Relevant will be in page 56. Paragraph, it's from paragraph 5, page 56. I read that one. Accordingly, we direct the government of Arunachal Pradesh through the Chief Secretary to take note of the guidelines provided by this court in Fejrun, Nessa, and then Achyut Aranjan Das, and issue appropriate notification to implement the same. That the core provisions of the guidelines are that there would be a district level committee in every district to be headed by district deputy commissioner who will process all the application in the district concerned by setting at a particular interval as may be required for the purpose. The district level committee will take note of all the available vacancies in the various departments for that given period, which may be available for the compassion appointment, but it has to be within 5% of the existing vacancies for the period. After evaluating the vacancies, the district level committee shall make an inter-se financial comparisons of all the applicants and thereafter, taking note of the numbers of the vacancies available, make recommendation to the equal numbers of applicants comprising of the financially worse of the candidates among the applicants, meaning thereby that amongst all the applicants, the applicant would be financially worse off than the others would be recommended for the purpose of compassion appointment. The recommendation made by the district level committee, district wise then be sent to the state level committee or for its consideration. Approval and the decision of the state level committee shall be the final for the purpose of making such appointment. Paragraph 6. Accordingly, in this writ petition, also the application of the petitioner be placed before the next available district level committee of Lower Subansiri district, which may be held as per the direction indicated above. The applicants of the application of the petition may be considered in the above manner, along with all other similar applicants that may be available before the district level committee. It is expected that constitution of district level committee and state level committee be done as expeditious as possible. Preferably, district level committee put in a place within the period of 1 month from the date of receipt of certified copy of this order for doing this needful. So, my lord, as per direction, my lord, the state should have this district and state level committees. So, in my case is in the power department.
So it has been adopted? These guidelines have been adopted?
Yes.
In the state?
Yes, it has been adopted in 2005.
I'm not sure, my lord.
Well, I'll just take to that. My lord, this notification was out of the government of Arunachal Pradesh on 12 May 2005. 12 May 2005. I'll just take to that government notification which.
This order is of 2022. What I'm asking is whether this judgment, I mean, in the case of Fajiron Nessa has been adopted. Achyutanan Das.
Yes, my lord, in one of my case, from the district level committee only, case has been processed to the director land record. This is another case. It was the same direction was given, and then district level committee has processed the applicant's application to the district level, the state level. So I think the state should have already the district and state level committee.
We'll say in that case, this is the case. The order,
yes.
Huh?
Yes, my lord.
Order dated 24/08/2022. It covers the case of the petition.
Yes, that's
Therefore, we'll dispose of the to take. We will grant the same relief. Accordingly, the case of the petitioner may be considered.
Yes.
By following the guidelines. Huh?
That's
in that so and so. Huh? That will say so.
That will suffice, Your Lordship.
Mr. Nabam, do you have any idea whether this judgment has been whether the guidelines have been adopted or not in the state regarding appointment on compassionate ground?
I'm sorry, my lord, I'm not aware of this. I have to take instruction, my lord.
I appeared as the Advocate General in charge in this matter, page 55. There was already a judgment in 2006 and 2010. As the guidelines are accepted to the government of Arunachal Pradesh, provision in Fajiran, Nessa and Ashwin Ranja are also adopted for the purpose of this writ petition and is made a part of present judgment. Anyway, since there is an order already, we'll just.
In paragraph 4, it has been said, my lord, the guidelines are accepted to the government of Arunachal Pradesh as the guidelines. That means, my lord, we must have adopted some.
Yes, yes. Because this is on the provision in Fajiran, Mesa, and Ashwin Ranja, already there is an order of the High Court.
Correct.
So we cannot refuse to act, I mean, as a state. Yes.
Yes.
Heard Mr. Esmo, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also had Mr. L. learned standing counsel. Power department.
My lord, I am for 3 to 5, my lord. Or 2 to 5, my lord. One will be.
For responder 1, 2, 3.
No, I am for 2 to 5, my lord.
2, 3, 4, and 5. Who is appearing? Then you record her name and also heard Miss M.S.P. Pangu, learned state counsel for respondent number 1, and as well as Mr. L. Perme, learned standing counsel for standing counsel power department for respondent number 2 to 5. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for direction to the respondent authorities to consider for appointment to in the post of Group C or D, appointment in the Group C or D post on compassionate ground. Christoph. The father of the petitioner, late Reza Bingo, had died in harness on 19/04/2016 due to tragic road accident. Who was serving as UDC in the office of the executive engineer within bracket E, bracket close. The power department, government of Arunachal Pradesh. List of since the petitioner was only 14 years of age at the time of the death of his father, on being attaining the majority, he filed an application for seeking compassionate appointment on any group D, group C or D post on compassionate ground. List of Mr. Hauber, the case of the petitioner has not been considered as in today. When did you file the application?
Yes, application, your lordship, is page 38.
As on date.
Page 38. 057/2022.
20?
Page 38.
05?
0507/2022.
22?
Yes, my lord.
When your father died?
Father, they don't. In fact, earlier application, your lordship, is in first application, my lord.
9/4/2016.
Yes. Earlier application.
7 years you have filed.
My lord, in fact,
But it is either brother, madam.
Huh?
Either brother.
26 is the first application, your lordship.
Filed by your brother?
Yes, brother. Earlier it was filed by brother. Uncle, sorry. Earlier it was filed by the uncle, but then uncle's case was not considered. Meantime, the petitioner became a major. Then only he applied for the compassion appointment.
Application, before that you just write. When I said filed an application petition, before that. The uncle of the, then a brother of?
Uncle.
Uncle of what? Petitioner?
Uncle of petitioners.
The paternal uncle. Paternal?
Yes.
Uncle of the petitioner. File an application on when?
On 28 June 2016.
28.
It's on page 25. Annexure 3. And the
Law Dispute Center. What is this?
And then 26 is the application, madam. The biodata details, 26, 27 is the detail.
07/07/2016. Filed an application before the concerned authority for claiming for appointment on compassionate ground. Mr. Hauber, it was not, the same was not considered. Mr. The petitioner on attaining the age of majority, by an application, being the son, you are the son?
Yes.
Being the son on attaining the age of majority. By an application that is 05/07/2022, file an application seeking appointment on any group C or D post on compassionate ground in terms of the policy of the state regulating the compassionate appointment. Mr. Next para. It is, no, the state of Arunachal Pradesh framework scheme, which has been notified on 12/05/2005 by the Office Memorandum number 04- OM-04 OM-4, sorry, public 2001, whereby the dependent family member of a government servant who died in harness they were leaving his family in a funerary and without any means of livelihood. And to relieve the family of the government servant from financial destitution, be appointed on compassionate grounds. Please stop. The guidelines for issuance of, the guidelines and elaborate guidelines have been laid down in what manner the application for compassionate appointment are to be processed. Case of Pajiron Nessa versus State of Assam reported in 2010, 4 GLT 340, and Achyut Ranjan Das versus State of Assam reported in 2006, 4 GLT 674. Page 55, huh? List of the state of Arunachal Pradesh has also accepted the guidelines provided in the case of Pijoran Nessa and Achyut Ranjan Das Supra. Huh? List of the coordinate bench of this court by an order dated 24/08/2022 passed in WPC 338 of 2020 has also considered the case of Pajiron Nessa and Achyut Ranjan Das Supra, whereby the similar case has been disposed of by directing the respondent authorities to consider the case along with all other similarly applications in terms of the cases of Pajiron Nessa and Achyut Ranjan Das. Next paragraph. The relevant paragraphs is hereby. Relevant paragraphs. The relevant paragraphs are hereby are reproduced herein under. page 56, para 4, 5, 6. Page 55, 56, para 4, 5, 6. Next para. Having considered the submissions of learned counsel to the parties and also considering the judgment and orders in the case of Pijiran Nessa Supra and Asut Ranjan Das Dimbrikat Supra, as well as the order dated 24/08/2024, passed in WPC 338/2020, and considering that the and as agreed to by learned counsel for the parties, and the considered view that the petitioner is also entitled to be granted the similar relief as granted in the case of granted by this court by an order dated 24/08/2022, as the cases referred to herein above are squarely covered the case of the petitioner. Thus, it would be appropriate to direct the responding authority to consider the case of the petitioner by following the guidelines as laid down in the case of Fajiran Nessa within bracket Supra and Asut Ranjan Das Supra within a period of how many days? Within a period of 2 months, 3 months.
Two maximum.
You are the one who will consider, or is that
1 month, my lord?
My lord, district, I believe district level committee where
well, maybe 3 months.
3 months.
3 months from the date of receipt of the order of copy of the order. From the date of receipt of the copy of this order, Great persistent disposed of in terms above.
Obligation.
Item number 9. Assembly file in your chamber.
क्या
इसको भेज देना है कि आपका चैम्बर में
नहीं बाद में वो जजमेंट प्लेस किया ना उसको देना जजमेंट जो you just take it and I'll correct it. Yes.
May I appear, Lordship? My lord, last occasion the instruction was sought for.
For what?
Regarding the development of the investigation.
What development?
The investigation of the case, my lord. The husband of the petitioner was brutally murdered, and initially there is no clue was found. So after investigation, it was found there was a case of murder. Accordingly, the case under section 302 was registered, but on being transfer of the IO, it was given for final order. The petitioner filed an objection petition before the Manalane Judicial Magistrate. Then it was directed the investigation may be done through a higher official, but it was not progressed.
Lordship, we have received the status report on 12th of this month, Lordship. In this status report, Lordship, the case is still pending, Lordship. But
Investigation is going on.
Yes, going on, my lord. Let it be completed with letter and spirit, my lord, because
This is
instead of-
very difficult. Investigation, we cannot say that. We expect that it will be completed expeditiously, but
Yes,
we
my-
cannot direct them to complete within this.
Of course,
within
that
the
is true, my lord, interfering in the investigation.
Because this
Only I need, my lord, that the investigation.
no, it's not that nothing has been there. It's under investigation. It's pending.
Of course, my lord,
clearly
that's true.
recovery of weapon and identification of more and one rifleman was
yes, Lordship,
for this appeared before the magistrate, but he refused to
yes, Lordship.
his consent for narco analysis test. I mean, these are the part of the thing, no?
That is the part of investigation.
What can we do now?
My lord, only direction that the investigation may be properly done so that
What's going on? If it is not
Let
that,
I-
you can come back. What is your prayer here?
my prayer is for, my lord,
On. There's a
or investigation through an independent agency.
unless you show that it is nothing, it has not been properly conducted. How can we just direct like that?
That's why, my lord.
We'll close it.
Yeah, let this matter may be closed, my lord.
In view of this letter.
Yeah, in view of the instruction received by
Not Mr. SK Deori, learned counsel for the petitioner. Who are you?
my lord, I'm the wife of the disease.
What is the name of the disease?
Disease name is my lord Rakesh Singh. Rakesh Kumar. Rakesh Kumar. Rakesh Kumar. He was Havildar in JK Rifle.
What is the stage of investigation?
Lordship, here, Lordship, the problem is, Lordship, the last Lordship, DSP Lordship, who was investigating the matter, Lordship, he has been recently, Lordship, it's transferred, Lordship, some other place. The new DSP has joined in his place. So, Lordship, this status I have received from the SP of this Hawaii, Lordship.
12 February.
Yes, Lordship. So, status, Lordship, as it is, Lordship has just now read out that the still investigation is still carried out, Lordship. Still is carrying on, Lordship. The Lordship, the point 10, Lordship, whereas the last scene, Lordship, the victim, Lordship, is beat Rifleman Aman Singh, Lordship. Why he has refused the consent for the narco analysis, that is, Lordship, some kind of, Lordship, questionable, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, they have, Lordship, every possibility they have done their part, Lordship.
Police, I think it says that Incident happened in
2017, Your Lordship.
Lordship may pass any order, Lordship, whatever deems fit, Lordship, because as per the continuously they are serving status, but they are not the final state. They could not reach, Lordship, because Lordship the person who are, Lordship, at that time.
When you read on careful perusal, this is something. I mean, the report is something.
Yes,
very appears to be very casual.
Yes, Lordship.
You are trying, you are not getting, you are
Yes,
not
Lordship.
finding any evidence. You are waiting for the letter. What is it?
Yes, Lordship.
How you carry out in base? Then we'll direct it for CBI.
Yes, Lordship, they can be do, Lordship.
Well,
Because it's still, I'm also not satisfied.
2017.
Yes, Lordship. With the status report, even I'm not satisfied, Lordship. The same status report they are sending, Lordship, for some time, Lordship. So there's no improvement, Lordship.
Check the detailed status report. In detail. Ask them.
Lordship.
And bring on record.
Lordship.
Dispose and will necessary. In 2017.
Yes, Lordship.
Still, it appears very casual. I didn't realize. This code didn't realize when you read it. And then it appears to be very casual.
Yes, sir. The last chance may be given, Lordship, so that, Lordship, they should furnish the, Lordship, detailed report, Lordship.
Heard Mr. S.K. Dev, counsel for the petitioner. Although MS L. Hage, additional PP, has produced a copy of the instruction. That is 12/02/2026, showing the status report as regards the Hauliang PS case number 05 of 2018 under section 302/30 for IPC in terms of the order of this court, perusal of the same does not impress this court, as the investigation appears to be not properly conducted, as the incident had occurred in the year 2017. Even though the incident had occurred in 2017, it is still some replies from the commandant appears to be still awaited. Just considering about MS L. Hage Leonard additional PP to obtain detailed instruction of the matter. Christoph, list the matter after 3 weeks.
No, sir.
3 weeks. 3 weeks. On which date the additional PP to place the detailed instruction.
No, sir.
Yes.
Much obliged.
Item number 10.
Yes.
Lordship, service has been completed, but the respondent has yet to file a reply.
Yeah, which respondent?
All the respondent.
Yes.
Lord, I am for respondent number 2 and 3.
You want some time? You don't want? You don't want to file affidavit? You have? Have you filed the affidavit?
Not filed here.
So you want to file?
Not your.
Who else are there? Respondent?
Malad, respondent number 1, Union of India, Malad, they are performer respondent, Malad. It is between them, Malad.
So you are Chief General Manager, Chief Manager. You are for the
Union of India, Malad. Ministry of Finance.
You are?
I am for the
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
State Bank of India.
Yes.
Then PK Tungan.
PK Tungan private respondent, Your Honor.
Notice has been served.
So it already completed on as per order dated 17/6/2025.
Completed?
Yes, completed.
Okay. Where do you get it? 17?
17/6/2025.
Received Dusty. Yes.
Dusty services. After Dusty, I have filed affidavit.
Okay. Heard Mr.
L. Kagum.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. And please, sir. Mr. Arbi Yadav, learned counsel for respondent number 2 and 3. Respondent is granted further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Mr. M. Kato, learned DSJ, submits that no affidavit would be filed on behalf of respondent number 1, Union of India, as the Union of India is only a performer respondent. Mr. None appears for the petitioner. And none appears for the respondent number 4.
Yes.
Despite service of notice list after reports list for admission after 3 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
2 weeks. Yeah.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. Can you file?
Yes.
2 weeks. Yes. Next.
Item number 13.
May please, Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of KD Sarma, my lord. Here we are going to file our affidavit in reply today, my lord. So matter may become after 3 weeks, my lord.
Okay. You are for petitioner.
I'm for petitioner.
Miss MS.
A guy.
You have filed the affidavit.
No, I'm going to file.
On the prayer of MS A guy, London's counsel for petitioner. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks so as to enable
2 weeks, Lordship, because they say
Yes,
they are
okay.
filing today.
Yes, my lord.
2 weeks.
Because they have been
Yes.
taking time for a long time. And
Yes,
they
my
have
lord.
the-
Filing today.
2 weeks, so as to enable her to file affidavit in reply. MS G.At London additional senior government advocate is present.
Interim may be continued. There is interim.
Interim order, past the list will continue.
Master.
What is the matter?
My lord,
Dharam
eviction.
Charan Chakma.
Yes, eviction matter, my lord, of
Okay.
Thakma community. Must have less.
Within the
I think some matters this court has also disposed of.
This is within the dual reserve forest. They are supposed to be in their settlement area, but then they have encroached the dual reserve
Yes.
forest.
Yes.
That's just the problem.
Then make it 1 week.
2 weeks, my.
Okay. Okay.
Must have less.
Item number 15.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship. I am in remote PC, Lordship. In respect of
Yes.
this matter, Lordship, respondent have filed affidavit, Lordship. I want to
Yes.
go through it, and if necessary, I will file affidavit, Lordship.
You are for
Lordship,
a
I pray
petitioner.
for- Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. I have received
Mila
the
Kali.
affidavit filed by the respondent authority, Lordship, on
Okay,
Thursday,
okay.
last Thursday, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. K. Gogoi, learned counsel for the
Lordship, Lordship.
petitioner. Further, no, not further. 3 weeks time, 2 weeks or 3 weeks? 2 weeks.
Lordship, at least 3 weeks time, Lordship. 3 weeks.
3 weeks time is granted for filing affidavit in reply so as to enable him to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition file that state respondents. MS K. Wangmo, learned State Council for the respondents is present.
Lordship, I pay for a fixed date, Lordship, on 27, Lordship, March 27, Lordship.
27. You just list the as agreed to list the matter on 27 March 03 2020.
Oblige, Lordship, oblige, Lordship.
Item number 16 and 17.
My lord, item number 17 reading is completed.
Lordship, in item number 16, we are going to file affidavit, Lordship.
Yes. 16.
Yes, Lordship, in 16.
Okay. Mr.
A. Ahmed. A. Ahmed.
A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioners, right?
Yes.
Petitioners in 16 and 17.
16 and 17.
Which one is completed?
17
is completed.
It is submitted that the pleadings in WPC 388/2025 are completed. MS the P. Sangita Learned State Council press for is granted. A further 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition in WPC 06 AP of 061 AP of 2025.
WPC 601, Your Lordship.
601.
601.
601.
Yes. What I said. 601.
Oblige.
Item number 18.
Yes.
Well, 18, I will just take to last order.
Not last order.
Where
this is listed for order.
Yes, basically.
We have petition regarding service notice of respondent number. No. 6. And the same is placed on record. Yes. Then.
So service is complete, my lord. So matter can come up for admission hearing.
For service of notice of press step by the Stephen notice of response has been taken and improved service step. So service of respondent is held to be complete. Yes, then.
Yes, my lord, matter can be fixed for admission hearing, my lord.
Service in this. No, it's already recorded.
It's already recorded, my lord.
Why this is listed for orders today?
It should have been listed for admission hearing, but then.
Perhaps for my lord, passing appropriate order for fixing the date for hearing, my lord.
Is it? Okay. And Mr. S. Mo, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Adesnabam, London, additional advocate general for the state response.
1 to 5.
Services are complete. List for admission after 3 weeks.
Right.
Item number 19.
Here, my lord, I am appearing for respondent number 3, 4, and 5, my lord. So, my lord, kindly come to page number 76 of our additional affidavit, my lord.
Continue.
Yes, no question. 76, my lord.
There's no 76.
Of additional affidavit, my lord, we have filed, my lord. It's from 68 to.
Page 76.
Yes, my lord.
Additional affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, here minutes of the meeting was held as per the on court direction on 31/8/2023.
No, this is 67.
My lord, minutes.
No. There's no page 76.
76 to 5. Okay. Here, my lord, direction was that, my lord, to pay the amount, my lord. We have already paid the amount. Kindly see, my lord.
Additional affidavit filed by and on behalf, respond number 7.
No, my
No,
lord.
I am
Three,
referring
four,
for
five.
respondent 7. My lord,
I'm
sir, this
345.
is a contempt case
Ah.
and the order has been complied. I have given the.
Then what's there?
Yes,
Close it.
already complied, my lord.
My lord, since they are willing to comply.
No, my lord, that
Let
is already
me
been done. Kindly see, my
Let
lord.
me close then.
Yes, my lord, this one is.
That is in your lordship hand, my
And
lord.
this is another one,
Yes,
my
same.
lord. This one say, this is different, my lord.
That has been already complied.
Private land measuring 2.4 acres with bowling for bottom for period from 1 January 2000 to 2029.
Yes, my lord.
Of making payment for regularization of first occupation rent and private rent measuring so and so.
Yes, my lord, we have complied. 1 to 3, my lord, we have already paid. And for 2000, from 29 from 24 to 31, that has already been approved, my lord. This is this one, my lord.
So nothing remains.
Okay.
Heard Mr. Odugong, London Council for the petitioner. Petitioners. Petitioner, huh?
Only petitioner.
The learned counsel for the Mr. Who is
She is appearing for
3, 4,
right?
3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, and 5.
MS again and Mr. Why
dollar for respondent number 7.
For respondent number 7. Have submitted the sanction. What is this sanction order?
Yes, my lord.
This one sanctioned and already, that another one is already paid, my lord.
Sanction order dated 5/02/2026 and the letter 19/02/2025 from the Defense State Officer to the Deputy Commissioner, Upper Siang District. Submits that the order of this court dated.
My lord, dated.
Order of dated.
14/6/2022.
14/6/2022. 14/6/2022. Passed in WPC 493 AP of 2019 has duly been complied with, which is not, which is also agreed by Mr. Odugong, Land Council for the petitioner. Huh?
Yes.
In view the contempt petition is then closed. Mr. The sanction order, huh?
Yes, madam.
Sanction order dated 15/05. Copies of the sanction order dated 15/02/2026 and the letter dated 19/02/2025. Then you first write this 19. This is 2025. This is 2026. Huh? You just be kept on record, are kept on record, and marked as document X and Y. Huh?
Master, bless.
Item number 21.
Yes.
May I please, lordship? Lordship, I am for the
not yet filed. Huh?
Lordship, I already filed our affidavit.
You are for?
Respondent number 4 and 5.
4 and 5. Then the state. You want to file? You have.
We have filed.
Huh?
Correspondent number 2 and 3.
Today.
No, Manoj.
Who is this? What is this?
But today we have filed, Your Lordship,
Huh?
for respondent number 4 and 5.
So you want anything?
No, my lord.
You don't want to file reply?
No, my lord.
Okay. Heard, Mr.?
Appearing on behalf of Jambe Singh, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioners.
Yes.
The affidavits on behalf of the affidavit opposition on behalf of the state respondents as well as the private respondents have already been filed. List the matter for admission after 3 weeks.
My lord, interim order may be continued.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Grateful, my lord.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 22.
Affidavit? No.
We won't be filing, Manoj.
Huh?
PP, we will file.
PP?
Yes, public prosecutor.
What is the matter?
They have freezed the account of the petitioners, Manoj.
Okay. Okay. Why this is listed for? Affidavit is required. Okay. Non-appeals for the petition on call. Office note dated 21/02/2026 indicates that service report in respect of respondent number 5 is still awaited. MS, who is 1, 2?
I'm for 1.
K. Wangmo, London State Council, and Mr. T at the London Additional PP are present. We'll just say.
Yes.
This is the matter after 4 weeks. Awaiting service report.
Item number 23.
My lord, I appear for the petitioner, my lord.
Matter has become in process.
No, my lord. No, my lord. I appear for the petitioners, my lord. The respondent number 1 has entered appearance on the previous date. We have taken steps for the respondent number 2.
Still service report awaited. You are? 2 and 3. Who is 2 and 3?
My lord, it's the State Information Commission, my lord. State Information Commission, my lord. SIC.
Nay. 3 is some. This is what? Tamsi Gungte, GS, Arunachal Pradesh People's Right Forum. Yes?
My lord, 3 is the private person who had filed the RTI. 2 is the commission, my lord.
So commission, are you appearing?
Your Lordship, yeah, my senior Mr. R. is standing counsel. Your Lordship, his name is not reflecting in the cause list.
Mr.
N. Khera,
London Council for the petitioner. Although office note dated 21/02/26 indicates that service reports in respect of respondent number 2 and 3 are still awaited, Mr. Aibam, London Council for appearing on behalf of Mr. R. Saikia. Enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 2. The list MS Arbasar Land State Council for respondent 1 is present. Awaiting service report. List this matter after 4 weeks. 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
4 weeks,
service report in respect of respondent number 3, List this matter after. 3 weeks.
My lord, there is an
Registered to reflect the name of Mr. R. Saikia, London Standing Council, APIC.
Yes, Lord. Then the copy has not been furnished.
We'll
furnish the copy.
We'll furnish extra copy, my lord. My lord, the interim order may continue, my lord, until the next date.
Interim order is there?
Yes, my lord.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Item number 24.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
Service is still awaited regarding few of the respondents.
What is the matter?
It's regarding dispute seniority list.
Office note dated 21/02/2026 indicates that we'll say that.
Artakam.
Artakam, London Council for the petitioner, and Mr. G. Tarak, London Standing Council for
1, 2, 3.
London Standing Council RWD for
1,
respondent 1, 2, and 3.
Yes.
Okay. Award service report list after 4 weeks.
Obliged. Item number 25.
What is to be done? Non-appeal for the petitioner. MK Boro B type of the non-appeals for the parties list after a week.
Item number 26.
26.
Yes.
Yes.
I fear this matter cannot be sent for mediation because the service in respect of respondent is still incomplete.
Okay. Although heard Mr. Let them come and we'll then heard Mr. Arel Tungan. Dusty, what is Dusty?
My lord, by last order, I was directed to take steps to Dusty. But the registry has issued the notice and I have given it to my client for serving it upon the respondent.
It has not been received back.
No.
Okay. Arel Tungan, London Council for the petitioner. Who submits that steps for service of notice upon sole respondent has already been taken by the service. Come on. In due course, he will be filing the affidavit in that regard, according to faithful listing of the matter after 4 weeks. 3 weeks, 2 weeks or 3 weeks, huh?
Well, there's an interim order.
Although interim order passed earlier, shall continue. Although this matter is listed for referral to the special mediation drive, since the service in respect of sole respondent is yet to be completed. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Item number 29.
It is for mediation, madam.
Can it be?
Yes, madam. It's compoundable offense and they challenge on merit.
Okay. Mr. Had MS so and so. D. Rilung, London Council for the petitioner, and Mr. Theatre London additional PP
and
for the state.
Private respondent is also there, madam. Private respondent.
Who else? Who?
Name is replacing M. Ratan and P. Yobin, madam.
Can you inform them?
Yes, I can, my lord, communicate to the council.
Complete, huh?
Yes.
You just we'll refer it. Huh?
Yes, my lord.
Matter is listed for referral to mediation.
Lordship, the party is not ready for the mediation. But
what does it mean? What is your claim?
They are challenging on merit and there is a stay, my lord, actually. They are petition, they challenge on merit for the ingredients are not abstracted, my lord. However, my lord, let them go before.
You are accused or what?
Yes.
Is it accused?
Yes, he's
It's
accused.
better for you. What I said? Matter is listed for referral to the referral for mediation. As agreed, let this matter be referred to mediation. Please, staff. Who is mediator?
But maybe this Ninu, Marpa Ninu may be appointed as a mediator.
Mr. M. Nino, London Council, is appointed as mediator. The parties to furnish documents to the London mediator. List for registry to list a matter. To send the matter for refer the matter for mediation on when. We'll give the fixed date.
9th March.
Okay.
9th.
December 10th or what is it?
9th March. Monday. 9th March.
9th March. Better be listed thereafter.
Obliged.
Item number 32 and 33.
Mr. T. Patin has instructed me to
withdraw.
No, make a prayer for taking up this matter at 2.
Why?
No.
Very limited role, no? In fact. So let him, I am not a respondent, my lord.
2 o'clock. Why not some other day?
Okay.
Next week.
No, next week, my lord. Not, can it be taken today, my lord? This matter will take only 1 hour. For me, I'll take only half an hour. I think party will take half an hour.
You may take 1 hour. For me, it will
because
take 7 days, 20 days.
So March next month, I am having some problem, my lord. So I'm getting a lot of pressure from the government also to dispose of this matter. If possible, matter will take another 2 days.
Now, what is the urgency? Is there any urgency? Any interim order?
No, there is no
operating
there.
against.
No, so far as I know, my lord,
It's a compensation. Claiming for compensation. Why the urgency is there? Some other day. If it's not right time today.
Fix that.
Yes.
23rd. 23rd.
No,
The
23rd.
other matter has been fixed. I'll be coming anyways.
23rd.
23rd March.
Monday. Sunday is over.
As agreed to by Learned Council for the parties, Mr. T. Patin. No, I'll Tungan for petitioner.
Why do I?
Mr. I. Chaudhry, Learned Advocate General, and Mr.
Why do I?
Standing, what do we call it?
I'm yeah, my lord, standing council for Union of India. For Union of
Standing Council.
For Indian.
What is the designation?
My lord, this I'm in a special panel council.
Special panel council
for Indian.
Union of India. Come on, let this matter be listed for hearing on 23rd, 03/2026.
Notice.